Hey guys, it's Mike Lewis, and Mike with from Nostalgia Channels, Nostalgics, coming live today with another Chef Michael's video. Yes, you came for this, and I'm here with my little buddy Yoshi. I recently unboxed it. You could go check that out because it should be released after I published it because it's like 30 half a minute. And I forgot to record this because we're doing another Chef Michael's, but this time we're gonna be doing grilled Parmesan cheese sandwiches. So it's not gonna be as that fun, but it's not gonna be as that fun. So let's get started. So it's time to part I like to call. In case you don't know, there's some grilled cheese and Super Mom. I forgot to mention this, but I forgot to do today's Chef Michael's video. But luckily today we have our Chef Mom. Actually, Super Mom here with us today, and right now we're just gonna wait for that to grill. Okay, it's party time. I'm not there. We're about to get some good stuff up here. It's not duck hunting no more, because trust me, Duck Dynasty never exists. It's about to get good up in here. Hurry up with my chicken pot pole. I'm going piranha fishing. Not no bears no more. Trust me, real fish. We're about to get good up in this family.
R.L. Stein is trying to get me back in my book, but I won't let him. Instead, I'm terrorizing Wombat.
You've done it. You unleashed all of the Goosebumps creatures. Now, let's see my master plans unfurled. Not quite as sound as you think, but here's our grilled Parmesan cheese sandwiches with some ham and cheese. And it's good as heck. Not kidding. We actually have two, not one for Yoshi because he needs to eat something. But I want to give you guys a little taste test on this garlic Parmesan cheese sandwich, or grilled Parmesan cheese sandwich. Yes. And feels a little hot, but let's give it a little taste because I'm about to do Uncle Larry's grilled cheese sandwich tomorrow. Here we go. That's a good stuff over here. You know, actually, I want to finish this, so let's do it. Anyways, guys, I know this is today's a short episode of Chef Michael's, but we'll see you guys next time. See ya. Ciao.